In Topcon Office, there is a new option for leader with text that allows the user to show text labels for points in the survey view. Go to the Insert tab and select the Leader with Text option. A Leader with Text window will appear. In this window, select the layer for the text to be put onto. Enable the tick box for Quick Labels. The user can select the text style to be used and the number of decimal places for any number value. The user can define the text to be either stacked or following the leader by enabling the desired tick box. The Stacked option will stack all the display options selected in order on top of each other above the leader location. The Following option will align the selected display options to follow the leader location in a horizontal path. The display options being used in the Leader with Text function can be enabled or disabled in the selection box. The order of the display options is set by using the up and down arrows. Enable the tick box for Leader. The Leader settings can be defined in the Settings button. In this example, the user uses the Topcon Office software defaults for Leader. In the Prefix/Suffix section, the user can enter in prefix and/or suffix characters to be used for the display options of point number, elevation, northing and easting. Once the settings have been set, hit the OK button. Once back on the main screen of Topcon Office, select a point on the map that you want to add a leader with text to. After selecting the first point, move the cursor to a location where the leader with text label will be displayed and click a second time. Confirm the location for this leader with text by hitting the Enter key. A label will have been created showing the point number, the elevation value, and the northing and easting values. If a prefix or suffix was used, this will also be displayed. The user can now continue to use the Leader with Text function to create other labels.